The ultimate space-saving solution, slim-framed, glass-sliding folding doors. Are you struggling with limited living space? Look no further than glass-sliding folding doors, the perfect solution to open up your home and create a more spacious environment. Featuring an innovative design with ultra-thin aluminum frames and tempered laminated glass, these doors will transform your home into a light-filled oasis. Not only do glass sliding folding doors maximize space, but they also harness natural light like no other. This not only helps you save on energy bills, but also floods your home with an abundance of light, creating a sense of spaciousness and airiness. The key to glass sliding folding doors lies in their flexibility. Each panel slides independently, allowing you to customize the opening to suit your needs. Want to create a wide open space, welcoming the outdoors in? Simply slide all the panels open. Need some privacy? Slide just a few panels shut. If you're searching for a way to expand your living space, glass sliding folding doors are the answer you've been looking for. With their superior quality and craftsmanship, you're sure to be impressed. Contact us today for a consultation and installation and start enjoying the benefits of a more spacious home.